What's good, everybody? What's going on, man? It's your boy Vlogging with Greg, and I'm back with another reaction video, man. Of course, y'all can see from the title, this is somebody brand new, man. Brand new. This was requested from one of my subs, you know what I'm saying? Hey, gotta get it in, buddy. So, this is Savannah Dexter with big trucks, and it got some of my people that's on here that I'll be reacting to. Adam, Demun, I don't know Dustin Leigh, but it should be a banger as usual, man. If they requested it, it gotta be a banger. So first, y'all already know what we have to do, man. Gotta subscribe to the channel. That's for number one. Gotta subscribe, turn your notification on the all, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. If you want to make any type of donation, feel free to do so. The links are in the description down below. So, with that being said, man, y'all already know we're not going to hold this video up long at all. We're going to jump straight into it. Let's get it, man. With Savannah Dexter. Big trucks. Okay. Okay, first of all, I'm noticing Savannah is showing off everything. She is showing off everything. So, yeah. Kind of tell like I'm gonna be enjoying this video more than what I thought I was gonna be enjoying. Yeah.
Looking up at Super Jack, Super Duty Max, blacked out from the front to the back, console pack full of green and magazines, but not the kind you smoke or the kind you read. Have you ever seen 100?
Hey, your boy Demun be going hard, man. I heard one of his verse that was with him and Bronix and Adam. Hey, they went hard on that one, bro. They did. They really did. I liked that one. But this video, see, it got a lot of things shaking going on in this video here, man. A lot.
Break your neck back, looking up at Super Jack, Super Duty Max, blacked out from the front to the back, console pack full of green and magazines, but not the kind you smoke or the kind you read. Have you ever seen $100,000 truck? Well, pay attention, suckers. Demun Jones is pulling up. Stitched leather seats with that heater for your butt. Logos in the headrest. Jones County, stand up. Holler at your boy and I'ma get right with you. I didn't mean to cause a scene. Go ahead and take you a picture.
They got a lot of clean trucks in this thing, man. Hey, them lifted trucks, that's my thing. I want a lift truck. I really do want a lift truck, but yeah, you can tell they put a lot of money into these.
Attention suckers, Demun Jones is pulling up. Custom stitched leather seats with that heater for your butt. Logos in the headrest. Jones County, stand up.
Yeah.
At your boy and I'ma get right with you. I didn't mean to cause a scene. Go ahead and take you a picture. I'm a big truck.
Didn't mean. Hold on.
Jones County, stand up. Holler at your boy and I'ma get right with you. I didn't mean to cause a scene. Go ahead and take you a picture.
Didn't mean to cause a single head and get like with you. Like, or I cause you get you a picture. I like that line. I like that line. A lot of us know what he mean by that, but I like that line, man. That was crazy.
I'm a big truck boss, flossing so photogenic. Somebody grab me a ladder and I'll be down in a minute. Come on.
hold up. So she really be drinking that early? I mean, I know there ain't no time limit to it, but you been drinking since 11? Boy. And I see everybody, everybody on that level right now, cause everybody got a red cup in their hand. But them trucks is sick. I like them trucks, man.
I'm loving it. Big pipes sound like a shuttle lift. Truck so high, I could park your truck up under it. Big wheels spin on every truck that I'm in. I call them uppercuts, cause they come up to my chin.
Hey, that was nice. That was nice. I like that with that. Savannah got a little balls on her, man. I see you, girl.
I could park your truck up under it. Big wheels spin on every truck that I'm in. I call them uppercuts, cause they come up to my chin. Bass bumping, turn left, the frame rubbing. Pull up on your brake pumping. Dare someone to say something. Crazy in my bedroom, I can feel the hate coming. Now drop it down, watch a country girl shake something. Feel like I'm playing tic-tac-toe. The way I got these men texting me these X's and O's. I keep my bourbon in a big old cup.
So Savannah, you trying to tell me that you got the men hooked on you like that? They sending you the X's and O's? I don't know. That sound like things that females normally do, but you got it like that, babe. Hey, talk your noise, man.
In my bedroom, I can feel the hate coming. Now drop it down, watch a country girl shake something. Feel like I'm playing tic-tac-toe. The way I got these men texting me these X's and O's. I keep my bourbon in a big old cup. Country girl with a big old butt. Got that big old diesel whistling, speakers knocking.
Fellas? Yep.
I keep my bourbon in a big old cup. Country girl with a big old butt. Got that big old diesel whistling.
Hey, yeah.
Listening to Up Church up in Michigan. You talking or you hopping in? Put the Mickey Constance on the Chevy. I've been rocking stance, pocket full of stones. Don't try to box me in.
Adam went back, man. Adam went back, bro, with the pocket full of stones. Man, y'all know what that mean, man. Come on, bro. Y'all know what that mean, man. Boy, look, that's my dog, bro. Adam, shit. Gotta get it.
Got that big old diesel whistling, speakers knocking, listening to Up Church up in Michigan. You talking or you hopping in? Put the Mickey Constance on the Chevy. I've been rocking stance, pocket full of stones. Don't try to box me in. When you hear it, gotta turn the volume up.
Yeah.
Rearview mirror shaking, couple cases in the truck. I'm drinking with no chaser and I never get stuck. How's the view down there in that rut? Looking up, flying by with the finest cutie pie. She a 10, sitting high, drinking apple pie. There she go again, trying to rev my engine.
Drinking apple pie. Look, now I think he talked. Now I ain't sure because I never had it, but I think that's I think he talked about moonshine, right? I mean, if I'm wrong, correct me, but I think that's what he talking about, that moonshine. Cause hey, them real country boys, man, y'all be drinking some powerful stuff, boy, real powerful.
In the truck, I ain't drinking with no chaser and I never get stuck. How's the view down there in that rut? Looking up, flying by with the finest cutie pie. She a 10, sitting high, drinking apple pie. There she go again, trying to rev my engine off, acting like she trying to
Yeah.
I'm trying to get her home and watch her shake that big old butt. Cause I'm a big truck rider. If I pull up beside you,
Bruh, Adam go hard on everything he be on, bruh. Like, no lie. I have never heard this dude made a lame verse yet. None. Bruh, I love that, man. I love it.
shake that big old butt. Cause I'm a big truck rider. If I pull up beside you, I promise I'm gonna have you looking up, looking up. I'm a product of the South. All I do is act up. I've been drinking since 11. pull up looking down, see only wheels on the ground. You think you seen a plane, cause my truck be in the clouds. It's Dusty Leigh, I'm the party boy, ride around in a Tonka toy. When I show my face, all the country girls go bonkers for me. I'm lifted up to the sky. You'll see a Southern belle sitting by my side. Bourbon being drunk until
Oh man, look, he said you might see a Southern belle sitting by my side. Nah, I kind of got a clue what he talking about, because everybody they call it different things. But my guess on what he talking about, a Southern belle sitting on his side, he talking about something that he can make ring like a bell. That's what I get from it. If I'm wrong, once again, correct me. But that's what I get from it.
the girls go bonkers for me. I'm lifted up to the sky. You'll see a Southern belle sitting by my side. But fit the bourbon being drunk until it's dry. Only noon, but I ain't crying. About to turn up, yeah, it's time. My truck so damn stupid, they might cut it a check. My wheels built for dirt in case I go up.
Hold up, you trying to say your truck that crazy? Boy, say the state might cut it a check. I like that. All right now, go Dusty.
Until it's dry, only noon, but I ain't crying. About to turn up, yeah, it's time. My truck so damn stupid, they might cut it a check. My wheels built for dirt in case I go off track.
Yeah.
I don't know it all, but I know for a fact. Real men like the truck beefy, like sad from the back. Yeah, I'm a
big truck rider. If I pull up beside you, I promise I'm gonna have you looking up.
Yeah. Okay. All right, Savannah, man, I see you, and I hear you, man. It had a lot of interesting things in that video right there. I like that, trucks and all. So, man, hey, look, I like that song, bro. It had me amped up. It definitely woke me up for sure. So, yeah, definitely get that song and that video big thumbs up, man. Real big thumbs up. So, hey, bro, if y'all liked it, leave the comments down below. You already know, leave a like for sure, man. Because if I could, I'll give it a like myself. So, with that being said, man, look, if you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead on and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification on to all, where you know every time your boy done drop another video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Let me know how y'all felt about this reaction and the video and the song, man. So, hey, that being said, man, it's your boy Vlogging with Greg. I'm out.